Climb inside the 2015 Subaru Outback. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, heated front and rear seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and a blind spot monitoring system. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.